Hello everyone, welcome to part 54 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 54. Here he talks about inner faith, building up this sense that at your core level, you have this belief that everything is going to work out, that you have this knowledge that doesn't require a holy book or a church service or anything, that you just have this inner faith, this experience of communicating with something more than just the conscious mind. Now, I would take this more as the subconscious mind, communicating that kind of inner faith, that kind of confidence that everything's going to work out. Because I think that that's what a lot of religions give people, is this sense that everything is going to be good, that everything's going to work out in the end. And so that's really what he's saying here with part 54. Like, you need to really develop your sense of inner confidence that everything's going to work out with your business, with your trading, with your writing, with your running, with whatever you are doing, with school, no matter how much the odds look to be stacked against you and your past experience. If you can believe in certainty in the long run, that in the long run everything's going to work out with this kind of thing, then you don't have that kind of fear, that kind of sheep mentality that a lot of people have of, oh, I need to follow the flock, I need to run away, like they're going to be wolves everywhere. Instead, think of yourself more as the shark. Think of yourself going out and hunting your prey, not having that kind of need to look over your shoulder all that time, just going after what you desire. And I think that's really what he's getting at here at its core principle. Be it my sheep and shark model way of explaining it or not, I think it's pretty strong that you develop your inner faith by going out and just doing it, practicing it. When you actually have the confidence to go out and practice like things like these principles, go out and practice your kind of inner faith, it can, I think a lot of people think that transforming your life takes a lot of energy, but it actually doesn't. It's something that you could spend 1 or 2 minutes every day on. Even like 7 minutes a week or something you could spend on this stuff, and it would make a massive difference in your life because it has a compounding effect. I mean, that's just the idea here. Slowly, it compounds and builds like, compound interest would. It's like if you made 1% a day on this, and it slowly builds from $1 into an absolute fortune. That's what we're looking at here with building it slowly and certainly with this kind of attitude. If you can master certainty, if you can master at least part of the idea of being certain in the long run, then you don't have this fearful need to be very certain in the short run. Things can go wrong for you, and you can still continue on your path and still be successful. Anyway, that's my take on part 54. I hope this was useful, and I will see you guys next time with part 55. So, stay tuned.